vist ei tee seda korralikult ära.
Hoidja! Rahu!
Spain and its festival time. A blend of gaiety as sparkling as the sherry these dancers are passionately celebrating.
Üks kolm kuute käike.
In the great growing south of Spain vibrates with colour and excitement. Every year, the infectious thrill of the flamenco dancers highlights a week of celebration, a week which is dedicated yearly to countries where sherry is part of life. This year it's Scotland, but the fun and fiesta is still Latin flavoured.
Holy shit! Sa võid ikka vaatama, mis hüppad need. Wow, ninja.
The mood is passionate and expressive, an unforgettable memory for the once-a-year visitor. The fiesta spirit arouses everyone, and for an evening at least, the Spanish temperament is an international experience.
No, давай.